Good morning. So today I am going to work on making something that I wanted to make last year, but I didn't get around to it. So I wanted to make a table runner, a crocheted table runner, a Christmassy one, for my table using this yarn. It's so pretty. I believe it's 100% acrylic, or like acrylic and then like whatever this shiny yarn is made from, but it's super pretty and festive for Christmas. The yarn goes from like white to red to green back to white, and I just think it's so cute and festive. So I'm gonna make a table runner out of this. I'm gonna go ahead and make a slip knot. And I'm gonna use a 5mm crochet hook. And I'm actually sitting on my table right now that I'm making this table runner for. So I'm gonna crochet chains until I think it's a good width for this table. So I'm just gonna get started on that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have chained 50 stitches. Oh, I love this yarn so much. It's so cute. And I'm going to just chain 3 more because I think I'm going to do double crochet stitches. That way it goes quicker making it. So I'm going to do 51, 52, 53. All right, so now I'm going to double crochet 3 stitches away. 1, 2, 3 in here. So I've done my first stitch, and now I'm going to double crochet all across these. Alright, so I have finished the first row, and now I'm going to work on the second row. Okay, so here is the table runner so far. I love the colors, and I love that it's actually coming out kind of stripy, which I didn't expect, and I'm curious to see if that will continue. I kind of like it. It's so pretty. And for the sake of keeping track of time, it is currently Monday at 10 a.m. Alright, so I've definitely been making some progress through this skein of yarn. This is how much I've done. I did want this to kind of be a longish table runner. I don't know if this is going to end up being enough. I might have to try to find another one if it's not, but we'll see how big it gets. to eat breakfast? Oh my goodness. What a good boy. Yeah, you ready for breakfast? All right, let's go in the garage and I'll feed you. Good boy. All right, good morning. It is November 7th, Tuesday, and I wanted to show you my progress on the table runner that I started for Christmas. So I have this much yarn left, and it is this big. Now I do want to make it bigger, and I don't think this one skein is going to be enough. So I might have to find another one. At least one or two more, because I did kind of want it to be kind of long. And maybe I might do a border around it in a different yarn. Maybe a solid but shiny yarn like this. That way it has like a border. I haven't decided if I do that, what color I would choose, but that is what I am thinking. So I'm going to work on this until the yarn runs out, and then I'll call this project done for now, but I'll probably add more onto it later when I'm able to get more of the same yarn. Okay, so I might be on my last row. We will see. So I'm going to crochet I'm going to crochet another row, and we'll see if we have any more for our next row. But I might be on the last row though, so. Okay, I think I've made it as long as I can at the moment, so let's see how it looks on the table. Okay, so yes, this does look like more of a placemat than a table runner, but I just need to get more yarn. I did leave a stitch marker in this corner where there's still loose thread. I just tucked it underneath. That way it'll just be easy to pick back up where I was. And I don't have to like make a new spot for a stitch. Even though that wouldn't be difficult, but anyways, here is the start of my Christmas projects. This is a plate that my great Aunt Lou gave me. This is a Christmas decoration. Then I just did like a candle and then my sage bundle. And I think it makes a nice table center. This is a really easy DIY project. You're basically just crocheting a rectangle, super easy. I had casted on 53 stitches. No, not casted on. Chained. This is not knitting. I chained 53 chains. And then I just did double crochet stitches back and forth until I got this. Anyways, so this is going to be like the first of my Christmas projects that I start making. I do need to get more yarn, but this is a start at least. Alright, so thank you for joining me and I hope you have a good day. Okay, bye!